Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Solana network on MetaMask. Previously, MetaMask was primarily for EVM-compatible blockchains, meaning Solana couldn't be directly integrated. However, with recent updates, MetaMask now offers native support for Solana. This exciting development means you can manage your Solana assets, including SOL and SBL tokens, directly within your MetaMask wallet, simplifying your crypto experience significantly. To begin, ensure your MetaMask wallet is updated to its latest version to access Solana functionality. Once updated, you can easily add a Solana account. Simply choose to create a new Solana account or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase or private key. MetaMask will then automatically detect and display your SOL and SBL token balances, integrating them seamlessly into your existing wallet interface. With Solana now natively supported, interacting with Solana decentralized applications is straightforward. You can connect your MetaMask wallet directly to Solana dApps, just as you would with an EVM chain. All transaction approvals and interactions will occur within your familiar MetaMask interface. While native support is here, bridging assets between EVM chains and Solana remains a viable option for specific cross-chain transfers or advanced use cases. This native integration provides a more unified and streamlined experience, allowing you to manage both your EVM and Solana assets from a single wallet. For users seeking deeper immersion into the Solana ecosystem, dedicated wallets like Phantom or Solflare still offer specialized features and a tailored experience. Remember to check the description below for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.